How to use Capital One Shopping. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Capital One Shopping to save money while you shop online. It's a great tool that helps you find the best deals and automatically applies coupons at checkout. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Capital One Shopping website or search for the Capital One Shopping browser extension in the Chrome Web Store or your preferred browser's extension store. Install the extension to get started. Once the extension is installed, click on it in your browser and either create a new account or log in with your existing Capital One account. This will allow you to track your savings and rewards. Now that you're logged in, start shopping online at your favorite stores. So when you visit a participating store, the Capital One Shopping extension will automatically notify you of available coupons and cashback offers. When you're ready to check out, click the Capital One Shopping extension icon. It will search for the best available coupons and apply them automatically at checkout. Additionally, you can earn cash back on eligible purchases, which will be tracked in your Capital One Shopping account. After your purchase, go back to your Capital One Shopping account to view your savings and cashback rewards. You can redeem your cashback through a statement, credit, or gift cards from popular retailers. And that's how you use Capital One Shopping to save money while shopping online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.